Hello, this is Chris Davis, and this is the PAS classroom with our vibraphone lesson. For today will be more advanced exercises to develop your techniques in mallet dampening, both hand-to-hand and same-hand dampening. So let's look at some of these more advanced exercises. Show a few more advanced dampening exercises. We can do same-hand dampening with octaves. We could also do arpeggios, right hand up with left hand following dampens, and left hand down, right hand dampens. One final exercise, which is very tricky, is to play random notes and do same hand dampens all over the keyboard. It is important to remember while doing all of these exercises to keep the pedal depressed, probably about halfway, not all the way to the floor, and always think about what hand you are going to play with and what hand you're going to dampen with. This takes a lot of dexterity as they are two separate motions that you're having to do at the same time. I wish you the best of luck as you develop your dampening techniques on the vibraphone. And thank you for taking the time to watch this lesson in the PAS classroom.